So, video update. I have been trapped in the house all day long, waiting for one thing, and that is for snow. There's no snow. I keep looking at the forecast. It keeps telling me that there will be snow soon. I keep going outside, and there's no snow. So, my wife and the au pair are inside watching Project Runway, which makes me want to die or scream, one of the above. So now I am left to sit around and wait for snow. Not playing any video games. I'm not a big video game player. Not a video. Definitely, yeah. I play one video game, Age of Empires 2, Definitive Edition, and that is all. Right now, just sitting around waiting for snow. We did get some moisture. Moisture's great. I'm a big fan of moisture, but I'm a bigger fan of snow. And in reality, in North Carolina, it snows probably 1 to 2 times a year. And it doesn't snow a lot. It snows actually very, very little. So it's my most recent update. The other thing I do want to say that I've been struggling quite a bit with recently is kind of deciding what exactly I should and shouldn't say on my YouTube channel here. I will say this, views are up. People are tuning in. Don't ask me why. Allegedly, YouTube is all about personality. It's about the depth of character. What can you say about yourself? What can you communicate to people? So I'm all about that. This is, you'll notice obviously that this video is just random musings based upon what's going on with me currently. Notice waiting for the snow. But I will say this, so I work at a university, and one of the things that I struggle with a lot is what should I share, what should and should I not share on YouTube? What views should I have? I think that's one of the other questions. I'm in a monster group chat with a bunch of people, and everybody shares their views, but it makes me really question my own. It makes me question why people believe what they believe. Leads me down some really strange rabbit paths when I'm reading, or rabbit trails when I'm reading things on my phone or on the internet. And especially the last couple of days, if you watch all those yahoos storming the Capitol building, it's just strange that people believe certain things. Like, I don't know how you can be a Holocaust denier or believe that the earth is flat. How do you get there? You know, how is it just people say something enough times, like our current president, and people buy it or believe it? And that's been going on for as long as people have been holding positions of power, right? There's a mythos that's created. It's handed down from one generation to the next, and people believe it because that's what they were told to believe, right? It's socialized. It becomes an unquestionable thing. So I would encourage you, be a critical thinker. Question stuff. Look for data. Interpret the data. One of my favorite things about Adam Ragusea is that science, right? Science is cool. Let's things that are observable, things that are repeatable. That's what it's all about to me. And that was one of the things that I really enjoyed learning about when I was in school, was the scientific method. It's all based in rational thought. And if you think prior to the Enlightenment, okay, prior to that, in the Dark Ages, where things were similar to like they are right now, right? There's more of an ethos. People were just told what to believe. And that had to do with people being illiterate. That had to do with not only being illiterate, but there just being a lack of access to written down, observable material, and generally not having people that work in fields like science, like we do today. My brother actually works for the University of Utah in their cancer research lab, and I really like how he breaks down data, analyzes it, and comes to conclusions. So a lot of people have had questions about COVID and what's real and what isn't real, and he just always goes to the data. And now there are a lot of people that give him a lot of flack on Facebook. I completely stay off of Facebook. I almost completely stay off of anything other than Instagram anymore. But those people aren't saying those things that are rooted in facts. So anyway, I'm gonna hang out here. I'm gonna wait for more snow. I'm gonna post more videos of what I've been doing, but we're getting back to school here. I had people move in 2 days ago, got COVID tested. That was absolutely terrible. That thing, and the worst part is they make you do it yourself. That shoving it into my nose, just being like, deeper, 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 is the worst. It was absolutely terrible. But so I'm actually going back to work. I got a bunch of work things that I've been doing. I'm a college track and field coach. I help people learn about how to move more effectively through time and space. And also enjoy my lawn and making YouTube videos. So that's what we're working on. I just wanted to share that kind of where we're at. And if it snows later today, I will definitely give you an update. So thank you guys for subscribing. Hope that we're putting out some more content. Tell me in the comments what you'd like to see, what you'd like to hear me comment on. That's the kind of stuff that I'm interested in. Give me some ideas on what to share with you guys. So Happy New Year. Looking forward to a very, very new year. And looking forward to more interaction with you guys. Have a great day.